Check, check. Morning, everyone. Let me check the live before we start the live stream today. Today is August 6th, 2025. Yeah, the price of the crypto Bitcoin today is 114,000. Yeah, Bitcoin last week have a chance to go down. Let me see the charts of the whole week, so you can see this. This the chart for 7 day from last week 30th July until today. Yeah, you all can see Bitcoin price in the end of July. Bitcoin price above 118,000, and after that, on the beginning of the August, it's went down. It's went down to until 112,000. Yeah, 112,000, and then now it's recovered to 114,000. Yeah, what's happening? In my own opinion, I think it's because of limited some of the option, some of the news, and and all all the news I see here is about it's a good news. It's about some public company invested 2.5 billion in Bitcoin, boosting its corporate health value to 81.2 billion, signifying long-term adoption. Yeah, that's good news uh, to let us know more and more corporates uh, join the crypto investing today, and we hear something about news in the SEC. SEC put this Bitcoin ETF market by raising option limits and improving liquidity through in-kind share change. That means that ETF will define which is will define the stacking, which is the security, which is not security, and to let us know and let the investors and some corporate have the very good regulation to follow up. Yeah, we also see some news about the Bitcoin's taproot. Uh, Bitcoin DeFi potential unlocked at the taproot less able to complex smart contract and additional engage increase. Yeah, this is thing more and more like for the developer, like the top group in the Bitcoin look like so many layers in the Bitcoin blockchain, and with the top group it can help the other people um, uh, can can use with the less fee and send the blockchain with the fast confirmation. Yeah, that's the thing I want to share fast for today, fast to all of you today, and let's see how's the other news. And I also don't know if Mr. Nicholas can join a live stream this early morning. Yeah, maybe Mr. Nicholas a little busy today, and he's may not cannot join. However, we also can start a live stream. Yeah, then we all can have some of the other news, like the news coming from CoinMarketCap. The top ISO token flash black signal. Yeah, it's the news coming from the crypto news land, and we see Coin Grappa is a news from the royal government of Bhutan transfer one transfer 517 BTC worth of 59 million. Yeah, it's this transfer of the government Bitcoin. Michigan pension fund deepened Bitcoin exposure with 11 million stacked in ARK ETF. Yeah, we see some of the states in the U.S. use the pension, use the money. That means some kind of money to stack to earn to get more and more crypto and Bitcoin. Fidelity and BlackRock move over 717 in crypto to Coinbase. I hear something sound maybe Mr. Nicholas join live. Yeah. Uh, we may wait for Mr. Nicholas a moment, then we also can talk and discuss with him. Yeah. Uh, the next one is SEC declares some liquid staking activity are not security in key crypto guidance update. Yeah, the thing one. Okay, when we're waiting for him, let's go to the CoinGecko. Uh, CoinGecko because I want to keep this year by some when I say I hear some of the echo from the side.
Can
Maybe
you hear
yeah.
me?
Hello, good morning, Mr. Nicholas.
Let
I
me
can
try
hear
to
you.
camera.
Yeah. Oh, this portfolio on the Coleco, I think I will choose the other account to turn on the vehicle. I can hear my own voice from the
You
echo
can
from the
hear
side.
my voice.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Let's
it.
see. Same assistant microphone.
Uh,
Okay.
I think this will come
Is there any more
from
echo?
no, there's no echo now. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's no.
now it's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice to see everyone.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nicholas. Nice to see you. Let me
Yeah, good morning.
uh, spread the screen so you can see Mr. Nicholas shine on my screen. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas. At the live stream in this morning, I have some of the little bit news. It's about the public company now they invest more in crypto Bitcoin. Yeah, putting its value to 80 billion. Yeah, this is mean the many public company nowadays under the new law they can invest in the Bitcoin. Yeah, and the market today, if we compare with the last week, the market today is a little bit go down. Last week is 118, and now it's 114. Yeah, and
There's one thing I must highlight here is
yeah,
that just a month, about 1 or 2 months ago, when the
yeah,
market is down, it was like low price. So today, when the market is down, it's like 114,000. Oh, it's down. So it's kind of like a very nice feeling here that right now the down price is above 110,000. So
yeah,
basically, we are looking forward for a positive move in the market where I think in the last few live stream, myself and Mr. Richard, we have been hoping, 120,000 or maybe 125,000, that kind of thing. Yeah, so these things are slowly coming to us in our face to tell us that it is possible, for the price to by the end of the year to move up to a certain point. So it is very optimistic right now. Yeah. So on top of that, the The
Yeah, I can't get your signal, Mr. Nicholas. Yeah. Maybe Mr. Nicholas had the interruption with the signal. So now, oh, maybe I have some issue with the signal. Oh, okay, okay. Now Mr. Nicholas join our lines again. So let me kick out the old. Okay. So
can you hear me now?
okay. Now I can hear you. Um.
So the Brave browser is a bit crappy. Uh,
Yeah.
so now I'm using Firefox.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't cut me off just like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm still waiting for my what do you call it? The live the webcam. I make an
Yeah.
order, so it's supposed to come this week, but then it's a bit slow.
Yeah. But
Anyway,
now just now I see your webcam, your camera, yeah. And now there's no camera. It's alright. So we
yeah.
can, yeah, yeah,
So hopefully it stays well with Firefox right now.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, the Firefox is also good for the live stream. Uh, However, I received a very it's a fair signal from from your side. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's
it's
all right.
expensive. Yeah,
Yeah,
but anyway, over at the west side, they are trying to, as well we have seen in the last few months, they are trying to build their Bitcoin reserve and all. So that is like a good way for good signal for us to say that hey, there is a hope. There is hope that Bitcoin price can have a new resistance in the next 3 months because now it's falling back at 114,000, right? So perhaps in the next 3 months, you can see up another step. Just like you're climbing the stairs, you take step by step, right? Yeah.
yeah,
So this is how it goes. It going up the staircase and slowly and slowly. Yeah. So we are hopeful that perhaps perhaps by the end of the year we can see it break 125,000. Who knows? Yeah, Mr. Richard.
yeah. I also think so. It's may reach 128 or 25, and after that, is some of the altcoin will have a chance to fly up. Some people explain that what's the reason why last week the price went down? What's happening on on the end of July? Yeah, maybe because of the Fed. We know that the Fed will decide not cut the interest rate on the end of July. So it's still expectation, yeah. But the market still need to have a little bit reaction based on some of the option call and um, uh, some of the recontract of the option. Yes, so the market need to need to react with the down uh, with the Bitcoin price going down, but we're still in the uptrend. Yeah, we're still in the uptrend until September. Yeah, we also think that because based on CME, CME was to CME was to is showing us that the Fed may uh, the chance of the Fed to the chance of the Fed to to cut the interest rate on September is 92.4%. Yeah, cut 25% of the interest rate. Yeah, you will hear these charts now is 7.6% mean that the Fed still remain the current interest rate, yeah, is current, and then the Fed will cut the rate in the change in 92.4%. Yeah, that's the new from the Fed. Yeah, we also expect that Fed will cut the interest rate on September too, because now the economic in U.S. A little bit in the struggle. As I know, as I hear that some uh, uh, the Trump know that the Fed will not cut the interest rate, so Trump have some the genius act. No, yeah, as is the genius act. Some of the bill, the big beautiful bill to let the company, the corporate, some of the bank in US and in the government entity can get the get the fiat coin, get the no not get a stable coin, bring out the stable coin, not bring out the US dollar. Yeah, now they now he switch the role of the bring out product. Yeah, because everything must follow Fed. Fed allowed to bring out money, so the bank can bring out. So now Fed don't allow. So Trump had the Xeonbit Act, so they bring out in the stablecoin, and they have 3 years to declare what is the value back from what from uh, from the printing stablecoins. Yeah. So they have that kind of amount of money to accumulate more and more the other crypto project. Yeah, that's the thing in my own opinion. So nowadays we need to wait until September. So price of the Bitcoin may be double or triple. It depend on your imaging. Yeah. So it's time for us now just chill out and see the price of the Bitcoin
Yeah,
now at the time
and
is good enough for us.
I
Yeah.
agree with what Mr. Richard has said. All we need to do is just sit back and relax and take
Yeah.
our fun and see the price go up. Yeah, because the thing about public companies investing in anything at all, when public company invest in something, it means that they have high expectation of this thing, right? This is something that they invest in. So in this
Yeah.
case, they are investing so much. Like 2.5 billion is not a small amount of money. It's a large amount of money. A lot of companies never saw 1 billion in their life at all, in their entire company life at all. Yeah, but 2.5 billion in Bitcoin is something that it is it is a big amount, yet it's not too big amount in comparison to the Bitcoin market cap, right? But it's still a very big amount for any company to even want to put their money to invest in. Yeah, so it speaks so much of their trajectory uh, and how far they pull their horizon to the future. So when they look at how Bitcoin can price can go up and how it can reduce and how their company can forward with time, and that is how the public investors, the Bitcoin users, the any other crypto investors, when they look at how these companies are moving, they sh- they can just follow. Of course, we always advise people against putting everything in one basket, right? So if you have $1 million, don't put all your $1 million into something at all. It could be
No.
shares, it could be crypto, anything. You partition it out a little bit here and there. You invest in various different things that you feel that can help you make money. So because this world is filled with a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of hope, yet there's also a lot of uncertainty. Yeah. So in this case, you put some money in the Bitcoin and it can help you make quite a fair, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, thanks for your sharing about how we invest to keep the money in not in the in one only one bucket. Yeah, and let me summarize some of the news on our service channel. Yeah, just now I installed some of the news news soon to get some of the latest news for us. Yeah. This we see that here is a summary of the five latest one. The Chuck Hopkins Northern issue was flagged in July, but Ledger had just provide an update. I also don't know what's happened with this fund experience outflow due to decline underlying at the accept price. Mantle with the largest ETH-backed treasury among the Web3 entity is outperforming today's down market. OpenAI released the GPT-OSS 120 bytes and GPT-OSS 20 bytes. Their first open ways language modern since the GPT-2, the smaller 20 byte version only requires 16 GB of memory. Yeah. So now some developer can try with the GPT OS. This is open source of the ChatGPT. Yeah, it's a version open source. Yeah, the agency previously attempted self-custodial and custodial stacking in May. This is a security update from Charles. We also have some of the other news information to let us cover. So if you want to get this more and more latest information, you can choose our channel to get it. And we also discuss some of the trends, the people thinking, and what's our thinking about the net what's our thinking about the crypto market? Yeah, how we expect this? What's our expectation about this? Like when we see this today's everything is putting down. If we compare with one day, yeah, but it's still a chance for some people doing DCA to keep buying small amount every day. So we have a very good price for some of the coin like IVX, like Tone. Yeah, it's also nice. Uh, Ripple is so good because it's down 3.5%. Yeah, BNB also under 800. Yeah, as well down 3.1%. Yeah. If we do the DCA, we should get top ten daily or weekly to earn more about this. Today, I cannot log into the correct code to show our portfolio, demo portfolio. Yeah. And uh, this thing, this more thing about is we also have some the other information. Yeah, like I covered to all of you in the beginning of the live stream. Yeah, and this all the thing. Yeah, we also can expectation that need the rainbow chart, the some of the chart to let us know. Yeah. I also think that now is a day for us to relax and sit back to discuss more about the crypto market. If you have any questions, please let us know and join our live stream to discuss. And uh, let me ask Peter Nicholas, how is his invest invest investment this day? If if he take the profits or still hold, yeah, Peter
Oh
Nicholas.
yeah. Okay. I took some profit
yeah,
of months ago, but
yeah,
since the price is going up, right? Because I
yeah,
have two or three wallets, different wallets outside, other than just having the wallet at the exchange.
yeah,
So uh, when the price was going up furiously, so I withdrew some and put it into my private wallet, so, so that uh, so that when the price go up to 115,000, 20,000,
yeah,
I can say, oh, I have quite a fair bit of Bitcoin in my quite a lot of money in my wallet, you know. Yeah, so
yeah,
I didn't sell everything. Yeah, so
yeah,
because in the uptrend market, it's always good to keep some and then use it for later. Yeah,
yeah,
because back then, when the price dipped really low at one time, it was a lesson for us, you know. It's like,
yeah,
oh, I should have done this, I should have done that, you know. I should have kept this, or when at a time when the price from a few thousand went up to 20,000 time. That was 7 years ago or something. So there was
mhm,
a time where, oh, I should have this and I should have that. So instead of going to expecting myself to say I should have this. So now I did that. I keep some in the wallet so that it doesn't affect. When the price go up, I still have the money. But when the price go down, I can before the price go down, I can sell some from the exchange and then start to collect a little bit. And then when it go up, I can trade again. So
yeah,
so basically all I have in my wallets and all, they are actually earnings from the uptrend price movement. So the
yeah,
original amount that I invested in 7 years ago, I already took it out everything. Now
yeah,
all that I have in my few wallets are all the earnings from back then. So now I'm basically playing with all the profit I earn. You know, yeah.
yeah,
So I don't have any stress because of that.
yeah. That is a self investment. We all can have some of uh, uh, DCA like keep buying very small amount daily or weekly. Yeah, so it can accumulate more and more. If the market go down, we have more crypto. If the market go up, it's all right. But we still like we do exercise daily, and after that we when we get the profits, we do do back the keep selling a little bit daily out to get the USDT or some stable coin back, so we can get the take the profits. Because if one time we take profits, we may guess if the market go up. Yeah, so I, in my own opinion, if I want to take the profits, I just take very little bit of amount. For example, if I want to take profit $700, uh, I sell daily $100. That's all. Daily 100 until 1 week. Yeah, that is the thing with my own strategy. And now we see the market price around 100 and 118, 114,000. Yeah, it's all right for us because now market little bit have a little bit correlation between the bull and bear. Let's see how the other charts between the yeah, fear and risk index. Yeah, with the fear and risk index now it's turned to neutral. Yeah, it's a good signal to let us know neutral is good. And unconsistent still at 42. Oh, with some of the alpha, we see Spark and Chong go up a lot. Yeah, last time I played something with the Chong. Yeah, I play something with the Chong. I buy with very small amount, 100 or 200. Yeah. Now I also can take some profits from this one. Yeah. But be careful when you play around with the alpha, the thing, the new one, because one day it can go down 50% is normal for you.
So yeah,
Uh,
50% a day is quite a big hit.
yeah,
Yeah.
this one, and this one is the proof and the tau have been listed in Binance. Yeah, so we all can see why the price go up today. Uh, the proof and the tiles have been released, and some of the BNB holder can receive uh, the reward. Yeah. If you have the BNB, you can check in your chance. You may receive some gift. It's around 0.01% of your total value of BNB. Yeah. If you have BNB in your Binance account, yeah, check it out. You may have the gift from it, and now it's all right for today for us to recap, to share some of the news to all our audience. Yeah. Uh, let's say goodbye to our audience, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. Thank you for joining us. We hope see you again in our next live stream. Trade safely, and please do your due diligence before you enter into any investment. Uh, uh, yeah.
We'll
So
see
see you
you in
again.
our next live